Hello everyone, welcome back to C4 Cookbook. Today's dish is not spicy, not complicated, but very dangerous because it finishes fast. So creamy, so mild, even kids will ask for second serving. Yes, today's recipe is white butter chicken. So without wasting time, let's quickly get into the video. First I'm going to marinate the chicken. For that I have taken 400 grams of boneless chicken pieces. To this add a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 5 tablespoons of curd. Mix everything really well so the chicken gets nicely coated. Keep this aside and let it rest for 30 minutes. This makes the chicken soft and juicy. Next I'm going to make white gravy for the curry. For this add 1 tablespoon of ghee to a hot pan. To this add 1 large onion sliced, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 inch piece ginger roughly chopped, 3 green chilies, 10 to 12 cashew nuts. Now saute it on medium flame till they turn soft and translucent. Now browning here, we want everything light in color. I'm adding a little salt to help the onion cook faster. Now you can see the onions are nice and soft. Now turn off the flame and transfer it to a plate and let it cool down completely. After it cools completely, transfer everything to a mixer jar. To this pour little water and grind it to a fine paste. So the white gravy paste is ready. Now keep it aside. Now I'm going to fry the marinated chicken. For this add 1 teaspoon of oil to a hot pan. To this add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add the marinated chicken pieces. Cook it on medium flame until the chicken is done and juicy. Don't overcook. Now you can see the chicken is nicely cooked on one side. So now I'm flipping all the pieces. Cook it on medium flame till it's done. Once done, remove the chicken pieces to a plate. Now cut the fried chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now keep it aside. Now heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil along with 1 tablespoon of butter. To this add 3 cardamoms and 1 inch piece of cinnamon. Saute it on low flame for few seconds. To this add prepared white gravy paste. To this I'm adding leftover marinade. Now mix it well and cook it on low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add fried chicken pieces. To this add a half teaspoon of crushed pepper. Now mix it well. To this pour 1 cup of hot water and mix it well. Now close the lid and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Our butter chicken is almost ready now and a nice aroma is coming from it. Now finish it off with roasted kasuri methi powder, freshly chopped coriander leaves and a tablespoon of butter. Mix it well and turn off the flame. And that's it, our creamy, mild and delicious white butter chicken is ready. Serve it hot with naan, roti or rice. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.